Johannes here from MCM. We're out on a farm in the garden route of South Africa, a farm about 15 minutes drive from George. So today we have a bit of trenching to do. We're looking about 30 meters of trenching. I'm going to explain why in a minute. Depth of around 300 mil will be more than sufficient. Basically the farm is extremely dry. It's a sheep farm right now, and as you can see, the grass is basically dead. So we're having a problem with drinking water when it comes to drinking water for the sheep. So what we're doing is we have a borehole, and these new pipes need to be laid out and connected to two 10,000 liter rainwater tanks. Like I said, there's no rain, so we need to make a plan with borehole water. Now I foresee that it's not going to be very tough ground to dig into. We haven't had a lot of rain, like I said, once again, so the soil should be quite sturdy, but it shouldn't be a problem. I'm not expecting much rocks. What I am expecting though is a bit of a hassle here behind this compacted little driveway that we have. Just to level things up. As you can see, it is it has a little bit of in Afrikaans we call it a middle manetjie. So we're just going to fill it up with some dirt. Simon here is going to bring us some ground just to level it up so that we can actually have an even and smooth trench digging through that area. Let's check it out. Now this loader we have here is the 15G, as you can see. It's our 0.65 cube loader, equipped with a 47 horsepower Yanmar engine, and a fantastic machine, fantastic loader. It's our smallest wheel loader model at the moment. Like I said, 0.65 cubes, which is perfect for a farm and for nurseries, a bunch of applications. There you see Simon just leveling it up a little bit. I think it's going to be enough ground for now, but we're going to test it out. Like I said, we have the MS30 over here, and it's equipped, of course, it's a track loader, so the tracks, we need that diameter, the width of the tracks to be able to run smoothly on that path over there. So let me get back to you in a second. Alright, excellent. So within no time we managed to trench across the driveway. Like I said, we went for the driveway, we went a little bit deeper for obvious reasons, down to about 350, 400 mils, and the rest of the way we're aiming at 300, maybe a little bit deeper, but the ground isn't very hard, so it's not a problem. A little bit about the machine. The MS30 is powered by a 30 HP or horsepower Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine. Fantastic engines, as you already know. Our hydraulics is powered by imported USA Eaton brand hydraulic motors. This applies for the attachments or auxiliary hydraulics as well as the tracks. Excellent quality hydraulic pumps. So other than that, you have very basic parts within the machine itself. Very easy to find replacement parts as well as service parts. Of course, because of its engine being Yanmar, service parts aren't that hard to find at all. Now, this machine can be equipped with a number of different attachments, from pallet forks to augers to, as you can see behind me, the trencher, to things like bale forks and brooms, hydraulic hammers, diggers, you name it. Behind me now, it looks like Simon is taking a break. Alright, so a quick update. The reason why Simon stopped the trenching was because we hit a water pipe. It's an old line that I thought was inactive. Clearly it's not. So by the time I finish hooking up the connection Simon is going to be done with the trench. You're looking at 32 meters, and we started about half an hour ago. It's going to take me 15 minutes to fix this line, this pipe, and by that time he's going to be done. So if you compare how long that would have taken to dig by hand, good luck, my friend. It's going to save a lot of time and a lot of money, especially if you're in the rental business. These machines have been used for and are being used for digging foundations and for plumbers, for electricians, of course for many farmers who have a lot of hundreds and hundreds of meters trenching to do. This is the ideal machine for that. Right there, that's the one you want.